project 5 weeks ago.
5 weeks ago. We have people coming from Malta, towards Leon, in Spain. So it's bringing different communities together.
And during this 1 hour session, we have spent the first 3 sessions getting to know each other, both by asking meaningful questions about who they are and what their life has been like, but also by making a collage that they then get to share more about, and then it's developed 1 week after the other based on their interests, based on what they've communicated to us, based on what we've observed lights them up, we've built the work.
Important, yes, the movement, the singing music, which we can see they can really relate to.
Yeah, the music really, I think it really communicates memories at a particular time, and it brings back some energy with it. I think that reminds them of versions of themselves they've known and versions of themselves that they can still live.
It's a project that really works on the physical well-being, because we do encourage the too. And by working on the physical well-being, obviously influences their mental well-being, and it's a nice balance between physical and mental.
So also something about the social elements.
For sure.
They're communicating more, they're getting their story heard, and there seems to be something that they value in that.
Ma kulħadd u għamilt ħafna ħbib ġodda. Tina ħadd pjaċir l-istess li ġejtaw. Ma ħbib ġifieri li dajna. Isna aħwa.
Ciao, thank you.
Li aħna maqulina fil-ħabba xorta. Jiddaw is-sessions oġbuna ħafna għaliex bledmi isna tnejxu individwali sirna isna aħwa, naħdmu flimkien.
Namlu l-kan, isfi, xinu għabtisben.
ħafna tajba u proset, nikapalikom għalli kun iktar fittu vera, kemlista, u tenku għalli.
Kom semmi l-proset, hej, grazzi ħafna u rġawajju.
Neħdu pjaċir bijax konna barra l-exercise. Nintaqaw flimkien u nħabbu.
Veru xieħu, pero nħissuna zazah dejjem. Alla volja xieħu.
Għat neħdu ħafna pjaċir. L-awareness għax aħna suppost nibqaw attivi biex nibqaw b'saħħitna.
Kien inkoraġġanti mentalment u fiżikament. Dak li jkun ittieħdu imbuttatura jagħmel kuraġġ u jirranġa iktar saħħtu biex ngħidu.
Grazzi għakom li suppunija u xina bnidem bis-sajja. U għakorti nagħmel xejn kuraġġ. Prosi.
Tiġu għax mill-li talġu u tagħmlu nibdu xi ħaġa żgur li tibqa' kull ħajjitna kollha. Grazzi lilkom u s-servizz tagħkom.
Għax nerġgħu nissuna Grazzi ħafna lilkom tal-paċenza li tiġu biex proset tassew. Iġu younger spirits.
Okay.